Today we write first topic electrolysis. Here we write electrolysis. Now we define electrolysis. First of all, we define the chemical decomposition. We write the chemical decomposition of the electrolyte. We write the chemical decomposition of the electrolyte in the solution or molten state. We write the chemical decomposition of electrolyte in the solution or molten state by use of electricity. By use of electricity is called electrolysis. It is a definition of electrolysis. We write the definition of electrolysis: the chemical decomposition of the electrolyte in the solution or molten state by use of electricity is called electrolysis. It is a definition of electrolysis. Now we write second topic, electrolytic cell. Here we write the second heading is electrolytic cell. Now draw a figure. Here we it is a vessel. It contains two metal rods. It is a rod. This symbol indicates solution of electrolyte. Here we write electrolyte. we draw a figure. This indicate electrolytic cell. The solution in the vessel is indicate electrolyte solution. This vessel is called electrolytic cell. It is called electrolytic cell. It is a positive sign. It is negative sign. Electron loss from anode. It is a node, and it is a cathode. It is a positive sign and it is a negative sign. It is a long line indicate positive pole of battery, and a small line indicate negative pole of battery. It is a positive and it is a negative. It is anode and it is a cathode. Anode is positive charge and cathode is negative charge. Electron move anode to cathode. It is a electrolytic cell. Now here we a figure and draw a circle and written in A. This indicate emitter which indicate flow the current. Now we write definition of cell. Here we write the device. We write the device in which the process of electrolysis the process of electrolysis is carried out is called electrolytic cell. We write the device in which the process of electrolysis is carried out is called electrolytic cell. Now repeat: the device in which the process of electrolysis is carried out is called electrolytic cell. It is a electrolytic cell in which electrolysis is carried out. Therefore, we called electrolytic cell. Now we explain anode and cathode. These are called electrode. Here we write heading electrodes. It is a side heading of electrolytic cells. These are metal rods. Here we write the metal rods which are, we write the metal rods which are dipped in the electrolytic into electrolytic cell. We write the metal rods which are dipped into electrolytic cell and connected to battery. Connected to battery are called electrodes. We write definition: the metal rods which are dipped into electrolytic cell and connected to battery are called electrodes. These are metal rods which are dipped in electrolytic cell and connected to battery. Therefore, these are called electrode. Now we see it is a positive sign and it is a negative sign. We explain there are two types of electrodes. Here we write there are two types of electrodes. There are two types of electrodes. These indicate types of electrode. Therefore, we write there are two types of electrode. First, we write anode. Here we write one and write a node. This electrode connected to positive pole of the battery, therefore it is called anode. Here we write the electrode. We write the electrode which connected. The electrode which connected. Which connected to the, we write the electrode which connected to the positive. It is called terminal. Positive terminal of the battery. It is a electrode which is connected to positive terminal of the battery. This figure indicate electrode which is connected positive terminal of the battery, therefore it is called anode. Here we write the electrode which connected to the positive terminal of battery is called a node. We write definition of anode: The electrode which connected to the positive terminal of the battery is called anode. It is also called, here we write, it is also called positive pole. In anode, loss of electron indicate here occurs oxidation. Now we write second point, cathode. The definition of cathode: the electrode which connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. So here we write definition: the electrode which connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. We write definition of cathode: the electrode which connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. Here we write it is also called negative pole. It is also called negative pole. Here we write note, we write a cation. We write heading cation. Cations we write here we write the positively charged ions. We write a very simple definition. Cations: the positively charged ions are called cations. Positively charged ions are called cations. We write K plus, it is a cation, it is called potassium cation. Here we write N ions. The definition: we write the negatively charged ions are called anions. We write definition: the negatively charged ions are called anions. अर्थात जिस आयंस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेगा उसको कैटायन पढ़ देंगे, और जिस पर निगेटिव चार्ज रहेगा क्या कहेंगे, उसको एनायन पढ़ेंगे। जो इलेक्ट्रोड बैटरी के धन ध्रुव से कनेक्ट रहेगा उसको एनोड पढ़ेंगे, और जो इलेक्ट्रोड बैटरी के ऋण ध्रुव से कनेक्ट रहता है उसको क्या पढ़ते हैं, कैथोड पढ़ते हैं। आज इतना ही हम रखेंगे।